My brothers and sisters, I'm going to simplify it for you today. What should you be doing in these 10 days? Number one, fulfill that which is obligatory. So your prayers, 5 daily prayers, don't miss them, especially the farad. Another good thing to do during these 10 days, teach someone some good. Subhanallah. If you stay away from sin, seek a lot of forgiveness and fulfill your obligations during these 10 days, wallahi, you have succeeded in a very great way, but you can do much more. Let's move on to something else. My brothers and sisters, we must try to be charitable during these days. Give out a little bit of charity, even if it is $1 or £1 or R1. And if you can, give out something every day. Try and read some Qur'an every day. Read a little bit. Set aside a portion of the day to read a page. Subhanallah. You're supposed to be engaging in the dhikr of Allah during these days as well. What's the dhikr of Allah? Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar. Similarly, when it comes to fasting, we should try and fast. You don't have to fast all the days, but make sure you fast on the 9th of ذوالحجہ, the day of Arafah. Next point to do during these days, pray for others. Call out to Allah for yourself and for others. Supplicate. That is called dua. So another thing to do during these days, as you're seeking forgiveness of Allah,